yeah, certainly. Again, I've said there's a global movement that's been started, and I think there's an organization, and it's fantastic. I'm telling you that it's two things. You go down the streets of America and you ask 1,000 people if they've ever heard the word Biafra. All 1,000 of them in most places will say no. Second, here's the reality. And when I first emerged as a human rights advocate, I'm just a guy from Blanco, Texas, that trying to help some displaced people get back home. But the fact is that
we are not
when I was first brought into
let me put it in simple terms.
I was told if you say the word Biafra, every door in Washington will close in your face. That's what I was told by insiders who have seen it. Okay. Look, anybody can pay a lobbyist to get a photo op. That doesn't mean they're accomplishing anything.